vx-Y8 Smart Lock Basic Operations. First, press star and pound sign. Enter the setting interface. Enter the initial password 123,456. Press pound sign to enter the menu. Press 1 to register a user. Press 1 to register a management user again. Then press 1 to register fingerprint. Then press 1 to register fingerprints, passwords, or cards. Enter fingerprints in turn according to the prompts. A total of 5 entries were made. Once you hear the system prompt input successful, it is OK. According to system prompts, after entering the 6-digit administrator password you want to set, press pound sign to confirm. Enter the password you just entered again. Press pound sign to confirm. When you hear the system prompt input successfully recorded, according to system prompts, enter administrator card. If you hear the system prompt that the input is successful, press return to the upper level menu. Then press 2 to register a face. According to system prompts, perform administrator face enrollment. When you hear the system prompt input successfully recorded, then it is OK. In the menu interface, press 2 for number deletion. Input the corresponding number. Press pound sign to confirm. In the menu interface, press 3 for system settings. Press 1 for time setting. Input the time that needs to be set. Press pound sign to confirm. Return after the settings are completed. Press 2 for installation settings. Press 1 for drawer lock settings. Return after setting is completed. Press star. Press 2 for human body sensing settings. Return after setting is completed. Press star. Press 3 for function settings. Press 1. Start network configuration. Press 2 for volume setting. Press 3 for anti-tampering settings. Press 4 for language setting. After setting is completed, press star to return. Press 4 to restore factory settings. Operate according to the system prompts above. On the menu page, press 4 for data statistics and recording. Press 1 for administrator user statistics. Press 2 for ordinary user statistics. Thanks for listening.